This is Shur on Tefilla. We got to Valetian. We are toward the end of the Valetian. Toward the end, in the section of Baruch Kelechenu, we say, Lo niga larir, lo neda behala. What does that mean? We say that we should not toil larik in vain, lo neda behala, and we should not generate futility. Therefore, we are davening that we want to have a significant life. We want to have a life full of significance. That we should not toil and imagine somebody for 70, 80 years, he bothers and he does and does, he creates mansions and everything. At the end of his life, he feels the life was in vain, was nothing. And he generated a lot of things in life. He worked so hard, but he thinks everything is futility. It's not significant. There is nothing that value. And once I was learning Masechet Brachot with some people, we were talking about that if a person has to say bracha or he has to mafresh for maaseh, let's say he was not doing bracha, he has two apples. One apple is complete, the other apple is not complete but is big. Which one is more important to make bracha? Should he make bracha on the complete one but small, or bigger size but not complete? The Gemara goes back and forth and brings rayot. I was learning in the Kollel, and 3 college students just come in and join us. And they were listening. It was the first time that they were exposed to the Gemara and Talmud and learning. And they were just sitting down there still and listening. What are we doing? We're bringing proof that no, complete is more important. Then we brought proof, no, bigger size is more important. Back and forth. And finally, we got to the result that complete one is more important. And then I said, this is the halacha, and I closed the game. I said, I'm sure that all of you have a very important question. And I read their mind in a way. I said, no, in the Middle East, people are dying. The world political issues are burning. And everybody's focus is what's happening in the world. And here we are in Talmud, and our Talmud, that's source of knowledge, source of wisdom, talks about you want to make a bracha. No, you make bracha on a complete or bigger one. Make a bracha. Who cares? Why should that make such a big difference? Make it. People are dying. You are sitting down here and talking about making bracha on bigger one or complete one, but I told them, what's the answer? Talmud is a source of of life. I said, I want to ask a question. What do you think? What's the greatest disease in our community, our society nowadays? What's the greatest disease? Why our youth are sleeping till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock? Why people don't have motivation to get up? What makes them that they are just sleeping and not moving? Do you know why? Because their life doesn't have significance. If somebody knows that he has to go someplace as a very important business, still very important things in life to do, he would get up 5 o'clock in the morning and would get up and would do it. Once life doesn't have significance, doesn't make a difference whether I do this or that, that takes away motivation from a person. Person is not motivated to anything. To be indifferent in life is the greatest disease that destroys everybody. Now the Gemara, source of life, is teaching us. What do you think? You think your life doesn't have significance? Even in such a mundane issue, eating an apple, and there are 2 pieces of apple in front of you, one complete, one bigger size, but it's not complete. Choosing that has significance. Choosing that gives you everlasting, gives you zechut, merit forever. Even that is very important. What you think that it's not important? Everything has a significance in your life. Even that has significance. You know, significance is equation to vitality. The more significance we have in our life, the more vital we feel. The more halachot are detailed. Last night at the Chabura, one person was asking me, I was saying, halacha. I said, what? So important detail point of halacha. This, like that. Let's be over there saying, what? Oh, you don't understand. This detailed point in halacha gives vitality, gives life, gives understanding that everything is significant. The more significant we have in our life, the master of curse is Bilam. Bilam, in one of the things that he says is Mimana Afar Yago. Rabban says, who counts the dust of Yago? Rashi says, what do you mean who counts the dust of Yago? Rashi says, Bilam is saying, who counts the mitzvot that the Halisrael do with dust, with offer. Countless mitzvot do with offer. What they do? Paraduma, Sota, Kilayim, sewing Kilayim is also, plowing, Chamor, and shore together is also. There are countless mitzvot that we offer. Now, what does Bilam have to do with the mitzvot that we will offer? Why is it so important for Bilam? Mimano Afar Yago, who counts them? There are so many mitzvot that they do with offer, with dust. Why is it so important? Why have Bilam is the master of curse. Master of curse understand the curse would be placed in a place there is no significance. If life doesn't have significance, if we feel we are, just the batala in void, therefore that is the greatest klala in life. Bilam said, I cannot find anything to place the curse because even dust is such an insignificant subject. They have countless of mitzvot. They give vitality to it. They give life to it. Therefore, the greatest curse in life is that the person would feel void. That's why in one we say, give us the insight, give us the knowledge that we should not toil in void. After 120 years after life here, person would be on his deathbed. He should not feel my life was void. What did I do? I made functions, I made money, I did something significant. I didn't generate utility in my life. Then this is the life. This is the thing. This is what we bring Yachad Kollel. Life is equation of life is significant. More significant the person has in his life, more vitality and more happiness and joy. Everything would follow that.